My research mainly focuses on two things. One is smart contract security, another one is gas optimization. Next, I'm convinced that the assembly is the best way to reduce the gas cost of your functions. I'm sharing my developer stories and researches about developers' responsibility in the team from a philosophical perspective. I have graduated from a university with a degree in software engineering, and in every programming my question was, what if I use the smallest data type? How can I reduce the code lines? This attitude played an important role in my later career. I always trying to make both free and optimized code, and it turned out that the feedback process between QA and developers got decreased or flat out gone. Thus, my clients saved time. I believe that the developer is also responsible for the success of the team or company where he belongs to, and must work for the ultimate goal of the team, not just for the money. There is another reason why I became a Solidity Developer. I have implemented the Java virtual machine on the C-based smart card platform. I still remember the most of the bytecodes. None of this had even hope of any practical application in my life. But 10 years later, when I met Ethereum virtual machine and OPCOS, it all came back to me. It was historical and programmatically settled in a way that other developers can capture. My research mainly focused on two things. One is smart contract security, another one is gas optimization. In order to research security issues and hacking cases, so far I created 22 vulnerable contracts and made experiments through hacking contracts that attack against that vulnerable contracts. Now I promise that your smart contract never gets destroyed for the same reason ever happened in the past. Next, I'm convinced that the assembly is the best way to reduce the gas cost of your functions. I created and tested an inline assembly function that do a simple addition of two numbers, and I saved 86 gas. This gives you a rough idea how much gas you can save for more complex contracts. I still study Ethereum, Oracle, Solidity, sidechain, and other chains, but sometimes learning other developers may be a faster and an easier way. I could learn really a lot of patterns and architectures while working in different teams in the past more than working alone. This is the reason why I am looking for a team where I can collaborate in and where I can add value to with my previous experience. I'm sharing my developer stories and researches about developers' responsibility in the team from a philosophical perspective, and in every study my question is, what kind of developers is the one that most companies want? So the one who can be a great team player, who can attend daily stand-up, and who can make and review GitHub pull requests? Is this someone like who you are looking for? Thank you for watching my story.